Hi, this is Hector Bosotti. Welcome to Success Tips. Less than 10% of franchise dealerships take advantage of the non-prime market, yet it accounts for close to 30% of the retail automotive marketplace. If you're not marketing to this segment, you're only marketing to 70% of your potential market. So here's how to get started in marketing to all your potential market, not just part of it. Firstly, contact your DealerTrack representative and sign up for their dealer reports. Dealer reports will provide you with detailed and insightful information regarding used vehicle finance transactions in your trading area, including the quarterly top-selling used vehicles right down to the top 3 trim levels. Owner demographics, the number of transactions in each postal code with your trading area. In this example, a dealer funded 5 used vehicle finance contracts through the DealerTrack portal, which represented 2% of all the non-prime finance contracts in the dealer's trading area. This means that there were approximately 250 non-prime finance transactions processed through the DealerTrack portal in the dealer's trading area. Don't be surprised to learn that you may be securing less than 1% of all non-prime transactions in your trading area. Subscribing to dealer reports will provide you with concrete evidence that you have an untapped market potential in your trading area. One of the most common and frustrating mistakes that many dealerships make is advertising for customers that your non-prime lenders cannot approve. If you advertise that you'll approve every customer, you'll get swamped with credit bandits that lenders have no interest in whatsoever. Instead, you want to attract good people that have suffered poor credit because of bad circumstances, such as a separation or divorce, illness or injury, or job layoff, and even job loss. People who have gone through a bankruptcy are also great potential customers, as their debts have been wiped clean and are able to start fresh with a vehicle loan. Communicate a unique, more professional and dignified message to your target audience and differentiate from other dealerships. Create a credit recovery program, a credit recovery manual, a brochure, and a video as to how a person can reestablish their credit. Remember, a vehicle loan is the #1 way to positively reestablish a person's credit. Here's a clip from a consumer-facing video that describes a credit recovery program. Have a look.
It's been said that public speaking may be the greatest fear of all, and that may be true. But one of the other great fears is actually applying for credit for a new car. It's true. Whether you have perfect credit or not, it can be a very stressful situation. But here's some great news. If you have less than perfect credit and you believe it might be preventing you from actually owning a newer vehicle, well, think again. We have a solution for you. You can actually get the vehicle you want and, more importantly, reestablish a good credit rating at the same time. It's true. But before we get to that, let's just take a step back. We understand that bad things can happen to good people. Perhaps you went through a painful separation or divorce, and some bills went unpaid or were late. Maybe you lost your job or were laid off for a period of time, and perhaps you were off work due to an illness or an injury, or someone in your family was ill, and you had to take time off to help them. Or maybe as a 2-income family, one of you lost your job for a while. Now, it's easy to understand how people in these situations can get behind on their bills, their rent, mortgage, or worse. Perhaps you had to declare personal bankruptcy. Now, we certainly understand these situations, and we are here to help people just like that each and every day. Yes, we hear it time and time again. Having good credit should be a top priority for everyone. But that's not how the world always works. So, are you feeling a little stressed right now? Would you like to be driving a newer and more reliable vehicle? Would you like to own a home one day? Would you like to look after your children's education? And how about your retirement needs? Would you like to feel confident once again? Okay, here's the great news. We can actually help you with our unique credit recovery program. Our team of financial services experts will guide you through our step-by-step credit recovery manual that is sourced by the Financial Consumer Agency of Canada. Okay, let's start with this interesting fact. Did you know there's actually 2 credit bureaus? That's right. You see, everyone's credit report and profile are different, and there are 2 credit bureaus that creditors use to report to. Interestingly enough, not all creditors report to both credit bureaus. But because we are registered with each one, we will actually pay for and pull both credit reports to see which one actually looks better. That's right, they could be different. And so since all lenders do not actually use the same credit bureau, we'll start working with the lenders that use the credit bureau that your better looking report is recorded with. This gives us a huge advantage over most other dealerships.
In review, your takeaways from this success tip are: number 1, market to all your potential market, not just 70% of it. Number 2, use DealerTrack's data reports and other market intelligence tools to establish and gain valuable insights as to the size and scope of the non-prime market in your trading area and the vehicles that sell well. Number 3, develop dignified marketing that attracts the right kind of credit challenged customers. Number 4, build tools such as a credit recovery program, a manual, brochure, and even a video. Number 5, attend Wye Management's training to fast track you into this opportune market quickly. Let us show you how to create a plan, strategies, tools, video content, and a successful marketing campaign at Wye Management's next one-day workshop, How to Tap into the Non-Prime Market. Like all our training, this is offered both live or online in workshop formats. Check out the links below for a video overview of the workshop and the PDF. This workshop can also be facilitated in dealership for your entire team or dealer group. Contact Ann Preston at 1-888-993-6468 or email her at apreston@wyemanagement.com. For more video success tips, visit wyemanagement.com and learn more about our other workshops and programs. For Wye Management, I'm Hector Bosotti. Thanks for tuning in.